Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Welcome to this segment of Khoj Gurbani's A Shabad a Day. The recitation and reflection is from Gujri, Mahalla Panjwa, Kar Duja. Composition of the fifth Nanak, Guru Arjan, and the recitation. Gujri Mahalla Panjwa, Kar Duja, Ik Oankar Satgur Prasad. राजन मह तू राजा कहिए पूमन मह पूमा ठाकुर में ठकुराई तेरी कोमन सिर कोमा पिता मेरो बड़ो धनी अगमा उस्तत कवन करी जय करते पेख रहे बिस्मा हरहाओ सुखियन में सुखिया तू कहिए दातन सिर दाता तेजन में तेजवंशी कहिए रसियन में राता सूरन में सूरा तू कहिए भोगन में भोगी क्रस्तन में तू बड़ो गृहस्थी जोगन में जोगी करतन में तू करता कहिए आचारन में आचारी साहन में तू साचा साहा वापारण में व्यापारी दरबारण में तेरो दरबारा सरन पालन टीका लक्ष्मी केतक गणी न जाइए गण न सको सीका नामन में तेरो प्रभ नामा ज्ञानन में ज्ञानी जुगतन में तेरी प्रभ जुगता इस नानन में इस नानी सिद्धन में तेरी प्रभ सिद्धा कर्मन सिर कर्मा आज्ञा में तेरी प्रभ आज्ञा हुक्मन सिर हुक्मा ज्यों बुलावे त्यों बोले स्वामी कुदरत कवन हमारी साध संग नानक जस गायो जो प्रभ की अत प्यारी जो बोले त्यों बोल स्वामी कुदरत कवन हमारी साध संग नानक जस गायो जो प्रभ की अति प्यारी. So this is a long list of things and people and activities. And in essence, Guruji is referring to the self as the father. Pita mero bado dhani agama, implying that my father is rich in complexity and simplicity itself. It's the absurdity of everything. That is, it is the inherent uniqueness or core essence present in everything, as we shall see. So the Sabbath begins by saying, in rulers, you are the kingship. Rajan mein tu raja kahiye. Among the landowners, you are the head. Bhuman mein puma. Amongst the chieftains, you are the chief. Among the races, you are the highest. Pita mero bado dhani. My father is the greatest and most wealthy. Agama, but it is beyond comprehension. What praise can I offer, O Creator? Ustat kavan karije karte. I am in awe of your creation, your appearance. Pekh rahe bisma. And then the list continues. Among the happy, you are the source of comfort. Sukhiyan mein sukhiya tu kahiye. You are the supreme sustainer. Datan sir data. You are the radiance in all light. Tejan mein tejvansi kahiye. You are the cynosure of all delight. Rasiyan mein rata. You are the valor in all warriors. Suran mein sura tu kahiye. In all enjoyment, you are the relish. Pogan mein poga. Amongst households, yours is the biggest. You are the epitome. Grastana mein tu bado grasta. And in yoga, you are the union. Among creators, you are creativity. Kartan mein tu karta kahiye. In righteous living, you are the exemplar. Acharan mein achari. And among royalty, you are the noblest. Shahan mein tu sacha shaha. And in trading, you are the trade. Vaparan mein vapari. In the courts, you are the justice. Darbaran mein tero darbara. You provide protection and sustenance. Saranapalan tika. Countless are your treasures. Lakhami ketak gani. Beyond calculation. Naman meh tero prabhanama. You are the name of all names. You are the name, that which cannot be named, but you are the source of all names. By you, everything is named. In all knowledge, you are the wisdom. Gyanan meh gyani. Among the different paths, yours is supreme. Amongst all purifications, you are the purity itself. Isnanan mein isnani. Siddhana mein teri prabhasiddha. Among the accomplished, you are the accomplishment. In all deeds, you are the deed. Among all commands, you are the command. Karman sir karma, agya mein teri prabh agya. Your will is supreme. Hukman sir hukma. And then in conclusion, the Guru says, ज्यों बुलावे त्यों बोले स्वामी कुदरत कवन हमारी साध संग नानक जस गायो जो प्रभ की अत प्यारी. As you motivate us, so we are motivated. In other words, you are the motivator. You are the one that makes us do the things we do. What power do we have? Kudrat kavan hamari. Nanak sings to the glory of the self. Sadh Sanga Nanak jas gayo, which is pleasing to you. So essentially what is being said is that these essences, now the Guru has pointed out to all of these qualities that are unseen. These essences are latent. They are latent essences, and they are always predisposed to manifesting into existence through our actions. They're always waiting to come out. So what the Guru is saying is that the self, that self, Har, it is that invisible source of everything. It is at the center of everything. That is really the message of this Shabad. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.